Hey guys, Jake here. Maybe a little loud for the noise, but I'll try to speak up. I need a bucket for my strawberries, so what I'm going to try and do is heat up this bucket and cut some holes in the plastic, and basically bend out a little lip here to plant my strawberries into this jug. This is just an old chlorine jug that I had from our pool. They're a little larger than a 5-gallon bucket. Probably more like a 7, so I'm going to see if this will work. Cut into the sides here. Need a torch to heat the bucket up. Makes it a lot easier. I'm going to basically cut an upside down U. You can tell when it gets soft. And then we want to bend this out. There it does. And as that cools, it'll just make kind of a little shelf there for our strawberries to sit on. So let me see if I can cool this off a little faster. And there you go. You see it's made a little stiff shelf out there. And I'll just take one of my strawberries. Will basically sit down in that hole. Of course, I'm going to take it out of the container and I'll fill this up with dirt. But I'll go ahead and cut the rest of my holes around in this bucket, and I'll show you what I come up with. Okay guys, here's the bucket with my holes cut in it, and of course we'll put a couple in the top as well. Alright, so let me get my strawberries and some dirt, and we'll plant strawberries. Get it in there. It'll be alright. Oh, hold on. Slide it in there like so.
Can I try the next one?
Come over here. Over here. Don't mind the plant, not mind the plant, by the dirt. Look at the plant. Get in the hole down there. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go wash your hands.
Wash your hands already. You only did one.
Let's go try it out.
Okay. Well, we got one plant out of her. Okay, and then just fill your bucket up with some more dirt. This stuff's a little wet because of the snow and ice, but it'll be alright. Get your next plants, just stick them in the slots. I kind of tend to tilt mine up a little bit. See, it gives the strawberries a place to grow and hang, while also catching water here. Water will run down to the next plant. I used to throw pottery. We used to make these big clay pot strawberry jars. Basically the same thing, just out of clay. You're back. Did you get your hands washed?
I washed them in the pool.
In the pool?
Wow, your hands are so dirty.
They are dirty, aren't they?
But I like the look so far.
You like the look?
I thought you just stole the freezer
Well,
from
that
us.
is so important. The look.
Aw, now
You
it's
stay
your
out of
turn.
that, sugar.
Got Sugar away with her toy. I love the toy so much. I think you got dirt in your nails,
You
Dad.
think? That might be possible.
Ooh, wow.
And we got a couple more that didn't look so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here.
Oh, I'll bring you one.
They might pull through, maybe not.
Here's the other one that didn't look so good.
We'll put them in there and see if they grow.
Yeah. We actually got them for Tractor Supply.
Yeah, you got them from Tractor Supply, didn't you?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, that was a head start on seeds. Strawberries.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
Final look.
that's our strawberry bucket, and we'll see how it does. Thanks for watching.